Hey sweets, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a treat for you. We have this beautiful wig by Outre. This is Julianne 24 inches. The first color is a 1B. Next, I got a DR2 chocolate swirl. And I also got a DRFF red velvet. We just gonna open them and get them out of this box and this netting, and we gonna see what we working with. Look at the curl pattern on this one. Yes, y'all. This is very, very sexy. Loving it, loving it, loving it. So here is our unit all out of the netting. Very pretty, very bouncy. Loving that. Here is the construction. We got 2 combs off to the side. We also have the elastic band that's attached. It is not detachable, but you can adjust it. We also have a comb in the back, and it does have the adjustable straps. Here is the top of our unit. Very pretty, very sexy. The lace on here is not that bad as well. So the next color is the chocolate swirl. It's looking the same right out of the box. Very bouncy. Loving the curls on this one as well. So far so good. All the cap construction and everything is the same, pretty much. And here is our last one. Here is the black unit. Again, very pretty, very bouncy, same cap construction. And here is the top of our unit. So I'm just going to pop one of these on and just see what she's looking like right out of the pack. Right out of the pack, she's very pretty. She's very full, and them curls are giving. Hairline, it's all right. May need to do a little bit of plucking, but she is beautiful. Here is the back. The density on these are great. Very nice, very full. Didn't know how I wanted to wear this unit up, right side part, left side part. Wasn't quite sure, so I was just kind of playing with it, trying to see what I wanted to do, what was going to look kind of sexy. Middle part, Next, we're going to go to that chocolate swirl. This one is the same, very pretty, except for that top is a little bit lighter than the other one, but she's still pretty. Still trying to figure out how I wanted to do her again, trying to see left side, right part updo. We'll see. Very pretty. But here's the back. Again, the density on these are very pretty. Here's our last color, the 1B. Yes, the 1B is sexy, y'all. Hey, she is. Look at them curls. Giving, baby, giving. Yes, here is the back again. Again, density on these are great. So I'm going to go in and I'm just going to tint the top of this lace so that it blends in with my skin. I'm going to do that for all. So here is the hairline. I think I'm going to go in and pluck it a little bit just for my liking. And then I think with this one, I'm going to do an updo. So I'll come back and show you what it looks like after I've plucked it. So here is the hairline after I have plucked it. Now I'm going to put it in my desired style. And here's how much hair that came out from me plucking it. Okay, here is my final look for the first hairstyle. This is the 1B. So we're going to do a pretty little updo. And we're going to have some little curly cues off to the side. So we're going to see what we're looking like. Let's get to the next color. This is the red velvet. So I think I'm going to do a side part with this one. So I'm about to do the same process as I did with the other one. I'm going to go through and I'm going to pluck it. I just don't like the way that the hairline looks. So let's get started. Okay, here is what the red velvet is looking like after I have manipulated into the style that I want. So I just got my clips up here to hold like my little bumps and stuff. I just kind of took my wax stick and also took my hot comb and kind of put that back so I can still have my little bump and stuff in the front. It's looking really pretty. The curls are holding up. I don't want to manipulate it too much because I don't want the curls to fall out. But this is what our second unit is looking like before I do the install. All right, here is our final wig. This is the chocolate swirl unit, the brown unit. So we are going to do the same process. We're going to go through, I'm going to pluck the hairline, and then I'm going to put it in my desired style, and then we'll come back. Okay, here is our last and final unit. I am doing a middle part on this unit. So let's install all three and see which one we like. All right, love, so we're back. Well, we're gonna pop on our first unit and our first style. This is the 1B, and this is the one that I did in the updo. So first I'm gonna go in and tighten that band to my liking, and then I'm going to pop her on my head. So just right off, okay, she is slaying and giving. I'm going to go through and I'm going to insert those combs. Make sure that this lace lays down very flat on my head, y'all. You can't tell me nothing, boo-boo. Yeah, she is giving, giving, giving. What y'all think? It's up to, for me, it's kind of cute. I was getting a little bit of shedding, but I did go in and pluck her and a few other things, but she is looking very cute. Had to slow it down for you. She is giving, giving, giving love. Yes. Very, very pretty. I did go in and try to curl her just a little bit because going through all of that and manipulating the hair and cutting the lace and all that stuff, it kind of manipulated some of the curls, but they are coming back the more that I play with her. Yes, that is giving. I'm going to have to fix that little part right there, but I got you. We're going to go in and just spray that little section down just so she is giving a seamless look. Yes, that's looking a little bit better after I spray her down. So she is giving, giving, giving loves. Yes. Definitely giving birthday vibes with this look right here. Very flirty, very sexy. Come through. I'm going to go in and just do a little bit of a little baby swoop swoop off to the side. Y'all know I don't like doing baby hairs, but this is the step that you can do and or not do. Kind of up to you, sis and bruh. Up to your liking. Do what you do, boo-boo. Yes. But we're just going to do a little bit of swoop right here and call her good, y'all. Yes. What y'all think? Hi, sweets. Welcome back to the channel today. Yes, it is almost Christmas and New Year's. I don't know where y'all at, but I am loving this time of year. I love getting together with not family, okay? I was just with family for Thanksgiving. I ain't trying to be bothered with their ass for Christmas, okay? I'm trying to chill, get me a peace of mind, and it's almost my birthday. Almost my birthday. Ew. How old would I be? Now, my sweets that's been rocking with me, they know how old I am. It's either 25, 35, or is it 45? Y'all let me know in the comments below. How old am I going to be? Days counting down. Next week, baby. Hey, I can't wait. That brings me to our video today. I am trying to find me some birthday hair, y'all. Trying to find me some birthday hair. And I saw these units on Amazon and I was like, girl. I said, those would look sexy for my little photo shoot. So let's get into it, y'all. Now today I'm bringing y'all 3 colors of this beautiful wig, okay, and 3 different hairstyles. This is the first one. This is the number 1. So this is Julianne, y'all, 24 inches. She is a fully hand-tied 13x6 frontal, so you're not getting a full frontal, y'all. You could do a couple things with her, but you don't got a lot of real estate up there, okay, because you're running into tracks. But it says ear soft lace transparent, natural baby hairs. It comes with the pre-attached elastic band that I showed you guys in the beginning. Pre-plucked hairline. Now y'all saw how that hairline was looking, okay? I had to go in and put, yeah, now sis, pre-plucked my ass. That hair was thick, okay? She was thick, okay? So to each its own, okay? They say pre-plucked, I say no. And it says heat styling friendly. Now I did go in and recurl some of these, and it says heat resistant up to 400 degrees. I think I had mine on like 175 just to do a little bit more curl so I can, you know, just have a little bump, but she did curl for me, okay? So the hair texture is yucky. If y'all are a yucky girl or a yucky guy, you got your yucky texture, honey. Yes. So that's one of the pro things that I like about her. I was able to do some different styles. This one is an updo. I was doing a right side part and I'm doing a middle part. So I would say she's versatile. I didn't have any problems except for trying to make sure that I parted at the right spot so that I'm not running into tracks. But besides that, everything is pretty good. The hair is really soft. I do like that. I do love the curls that they come in. The curls are really pretty. The curls are very vibrant, very pretty, very bouncy, as you can see. Yes, love the curls on here. The density on these wigs are very good. The only thing I would have to say about the chocolate swirl one is that the front, when I started plucking it up front, it seemed like the density on that one in the front was very low, and I'm not quite sure why. It seems like it was very, like, the only con thing I would kind of say. Well, not even a con. It's just, you know, when you get different wigs and different colors that you find different things along each one of the colors that's a little bit different. That's the only thing that I would say that was kind of like a but we're gonna see. I'm gonna come on with all the different styles and the different colors and show you guys what each one is looking like, and then we can talk at the end. All right, loves, we're back, and this is for our second color and our second style. This is the DRFF red velvet unit, and I did a side part with this. So we're doing the same process and going in and putting them combs in there, and I went in and I adjusted the band to make the band tight. Most of these I kind of were glueless, except for maybe like one or a couple parts that I had to kind of glue down to kind of make sure that it was blended in very nice. But for the most part, these are glueless, y'all. Yes, very sexy. All right, love, so here is how the DRFF red velvet turned out. And I forgot to say in the beginning that besides me spraying down that little bitty side part, these are glueless, honey. Okay, and she is giving. Yes. So I did the side part with this one. Everything is pretty much still the same, and this is just my end result of her, and I absolutely love her. She is pretty. She is bouncing with them curls. She is giving, honey. Yes, this is definitely Christmas vibes, New Year's Eve vibes, birthday vibes. Ow, yes. She is giving, y'all. Okay? What do you think about them? Let me know in the comments what you are thinking about the red unit. Now let's get to our last unit, the chocolate swirl. All right, loves, we are here with our last and final look and style, and this is the chocolate swirl, and this one I did in a side part. And again, I'm just going in, adding those combs, and again, I adjusted the band to make the band tight. Now this one I did have to kind of lay down that side. Like I said, some I had to lay down and some I did not. But this one I definitely needed to go in and spray down that side to make sure that it looked right. And she turned out pretty, but we'll talk at the end. But she's still kind of sexy. But I don't know, I just kind of wasn't feeling her the way that I was feeling the other ones, but she did turn out sexy, y'all. Let's talk. All right, love, so here is our last unit. This is the DR2 Chocolate Swirl. She is pretty, but I don't know if this is my favorite color. Now y'all know I've done a chocolate swirl, a different one on a different unit, and I absolutely loved it, but this one, I don't know. I mean, I think it's pretty, but I don't feel like it's giving like the other two colors. The black I absolutely love. The red I absolutely love. This one is just like, I mean, it's cute. It's pretty. It still gives that flirty type look, but I don't know. It just may be the color that I'm not feeling, but I'm not feeling this one as much. Everything is still the same on it. Like I said, when I plucked it front, I felt like the density was a little low, or maybe they over plucked this one, but I'm not quite sure. But this is what the hairline is looking like. Like I said, she's pretty, but I don't know. I'm just not, yeah. I'm just not feeling this one like I'm feeling the other one. So you guys let me know in the comments. Did you like the 1B? Did you like the red? Or do you like this color? For me, the 1B and the red are slays, slays, slays. Y'all know what we do on this channel. Either they're a slay or nay. Comment below. Definitely the other two are slays for me. This one, like I said, it's not giving the way that I want it to give. And I don't know, maybe it's the style. It could be the style that I put it in, but I don't know. I'm not feeling it. I feel like I'm like getting ready to go to work, and that's not the kind of give that I'm looking for right now. I'm looking for something that's sexy, that's flirty, to kind of go out for my birthday, but that could be why I'm like kind of turned off about it. This would be like something I wear on my Zoom calls, not something that I wear out to go be sexy as hell with my man. So y'all let me know in the comments. But like I said, this is her. She's cute, but I don't feel like she's giving the other two. Let me know below. So loves, let me know in the comments which color and also which style you liked best, and if you might go pick up this beautiful link everything down in the description box. All of the products and stuff that I use, I will link down there as well, so if you want to go use the same thing, you may choose to. But you guys let me know. If I don't talk to you guys until after the New Year's, Happy New Year's. I hope you guys go out and have fun. Merry Christmas. I can't wait to talk to you guys in the new year. And until next time, my sweets, I'm gonna be enjoying my birthday. Mwah. Love you guys. Have a beautiful holiday. See you in the next video. Bye.